Did you know that the box jellyfish, often mistaken for a fish, is actually one of the most venomous creatures on Earth? Quite the surprise, isn't it? This gelatinous sea dweller, despite its misleading name, is a cnidarian, not a fish. Its venom is so potent, it can cause heart failure in minutes. Imagine that, a seemingly harmless creature causing such devastation. Box jellyfish, a deadly creature of the sea. But let's dive deeper into the world of dangerous fish. Hidden beneath the sand lies the most venomous fish in the world, the stonefish. A master of disguise, this fish uses its unique camouflage ability to blend seamlessly with its surroundings. It's not just another pretty face in the crowd of underwater creatures. It's a stealthy predator that has perfected the art of staying invisible. The stonefish is a marvel of evolution, its body mirrored to mimic the texture and color of the ocean floor. It buries itself in the sand or hides amongst the coral, patiently awaiting its prey. Its ability to stay still for hours on end, blending in with the background, is an incredible survival strategy. It's a living testament to nature's ingenuity and creativity. But the stonefish is not just about the art of invisibility. It's also equipped with 13 sharp dorsal spines, each one loaded with potent venom. When threatened or stepped on, these spines inject a deadly cocktail that can cause severe pain, paralysis, and in some cases, even death if left untreated. It's a shocking defense mechanism that deters predators and protects the stonefish from harm. Yet, despite its deadly reputation, the stonefish doesn't use its venomous spines for hunting. It relies on its camouflage and lightning-fast reflexes to capture its prey. In a swift movement, it opens its mouth and swallows the unsuspecting prey whole. It's a swift and efficient predator, a hidden assassin that strikes without warning. And while it's a dangerous creature to encounter, it's also a fascinating creature to study. The stonefish is a living testament to nature's ingenuity and creativity, a perfect example of how life adapts and thrives in even the harshest of environments. So the next time you're exploring the ocean floor, remember to tread carefully. You never know what could be hiding beneath the sand. Stealthy, venomous, and deadly, the stonefish truly is a hidden assassin of the sea. Contrary to popular belief, not all piranhas are man-eaters. This might come as a surprise, but the world of piranhas is much more diverse and complex than what we've come to know from pop culture and horror films. Piranhas belong to a family of fish known as Caracidae, which boasts over 60 different species, each with its unique traits and habits. They inhabit the fresh waters of South America, where they have evolved over millions of years into an array of fascinating forms. Now let's talk about what makes these creatures so notorious. Their teeth. Razor sharp and perfectly arranged in a single impressive row, a piranha's teeth are its most recognizable feature. And it's not just about the sharpness, it's the power behind the bite that truly sets them apart. Even the smallest piranha can exert a force up to 30 times its own body weight, which allows it to snap through bones and rip off chunks of flesh with incredible ease. But here's where the twist comes in. Despite their ferocious reputation, not all piranhas are meat eaters. In fact, many species are primarily vegetarian. The red-bellied piranha, for instance, has a diet that consists largely of seeds, fruits, and aquatic plants. The black spot piranha, on the other hand, feeds mostly on insects and small invertebrates. So why the bad reputation? It seems a few aggressive species, coupled with a heavy dose of Hollywood dramatization, have painted all piranhas with the same terrifying brush. The reality, however, is far from this stereotype. While some species, like the red-bellied piranha, can pose a threat under certain conditions, most piranhas pose little to no danger to humans. And there you have it. The world of piranhas, in all its complexity and diversity, is a testament to the fascinating adaptability of life in our planet's freshwaters. Far from being mindless killers, these misunderstood creatures are a vital part of their ecosystems, playing crucial roles in maintaining the balance of life beneath the water's surface. Piranhas, a classic example of why we shouldn't judge a book, or in this case a fish, by its cover. Fish don't come much more electrifying than the electric eel. Now, here's a creature that truly lights up the underwater world in a way that's both awe-inspiring and hair-raising. It's not just the name that's electrifying about this creature, but its ability to produce stunning jolts of electricity for hunting and self-defense. The electric eel is a master of its domain, using its shocking abilities to navigate, communicate, and most importantly, take down its prey. Imagine swimming in the murky depths of a river, minding your own business, when suddenly you're zapped with a current of up to 600 volts. That's more than enough to knock a fully grown human off their feet, or in this case, fins. Now here's the shocker. Despite their name, electric eels are not really eels at all. They belong to a family of fish known as knife fish. This just goes to show how the world of aquatic creatures can still throw us a curveball, even when we think we've got it all figured out. These remarkable creatures have 3 pairs of abdominal organs that produce electricity, and it's these organs that make up 4/5 of their body. Talk about packing a punch. These organs allow them to generate 2 types of electric organ discharges, low voltage and high voltage. The low voltage discharges help them navigate and communicate, while the high voltage shocks are used for hunting and self-defense. Electric eels may seem terrifying, but they're also fascinating. They remind us of the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. These creatures have evolved over millions of years to become the shocking predators they are today, illuminating the dark waters of their South American habitats with their electrifying presence. The electric eel, a shocking predator of the deep, reminds us not to take everything at face value. In the underwater world, things are rarely as they seem. It's a place where electric eels, despite their misleading names, reign supreme with their shocking abilities. In the end, it's all about survival, and the electric eel is a testament to nature's ingenious ways of ensuring it. Next up, a fish that's as deadly as it is delicious, the pufferfish. Now, when one thinks of the pufferfish, what typically comes to mind is a cute balloon-like creature that's more amusing than threatening. But beneath that charming exterior lies an unexpected danger. You see, this fish is a carrier of one of nature's most potent toxins, tetrodotoxin. To give you an idea of just how lethal this toxin is, consider this. It's over 1,000 times more potent than cyanide. That's right, a single pufferfish has enough tetrodotoxin to kill 30 adult humans. There's no known antidote, making it one of the most dangerous substances in the world. But here's where things get truly fascinating. Despite this deadly characteristic, or perhaps because of it, the pufferfish is considered a delicacy in several cultures, most notably in Japan, where it is known as fugu. Now you might be thinking, who in their right mind would risk their life for a meal? And that's a fair question. But the thrill of dining on the edge is precisely what attracts many to this dangerous delicacy. The preparation of fugu is an art, a tradition passed down through generations, and only those chefs with years of rigorous training are allowed to serve it. Every step in the preparation of fugu is crucial. The toxic parts must be meticulously removed, and even then, a minute amount of the toxin is often left in the fish to give the diner a tingling sensation, a reminder of the danger they're consuming. But when prepared correctly, fugu is said to offer a unique culinary experience, a blend of delicate flavors and textures that can't be found in any other dish. It's a meal that's as much about the journey as it is about the destination, a testament to the daring spirit of culinary adventurers. The pufferfish, a testament to the daring spirit of culinary adventurers. As we have seen, the underwater world is filled with extraordinary and sometimes deadly creatures. Let's take a moment to revisit these awe-inspiring aquatic adversaries. Firstly, we dove into the world of the box jellyfish, a creature with venom potent enough to cause heart failure. This delicate being, seemingly made of glass, is a true testament to the phrase, "Appearances can be deceiving." Next, we wandered into the territory of the stonefish. A master of camouflage, this fish is not only one of the most venomous marine animals, but it also holds the title for being the most dangerous fish in the world. Then, we found ourselves in a swarm of piranhas. Despite their small size, these fish are notorious for their aggressive nature and razor-sharp teeth, capable of stripping the flesh off a bone in mere minutes. Our journey then led us to the shocking electric eel. With the ability to generate a staggering 600 volts of electricity, this fish is not one to be taken lightly. Finally, we looked at the pufferfish, a fish that's as deadly as it is cute. This fish is a ticking time bomb, filled with tetrodotoxin, a poison more potent than cyanide. Remember, knowledge is the best defense when exploring the underwater world's dangerous fish.